Hello and welcome to Kajabi in 5 minutes, episode number 28. How awesome is that? 28 episodes of awesome Kajabiness. So today I'm going to be talking about funnels because they're awesome, but they're also a bit weird. And you may be wondering if you come across this, you're wondering, why can you not duplicate a funnel in Kajabi? Kajabi's got those three dots beside so many things, and you can click on them and you can hit duplicate or copy or clone. And it's just awesome for emails, products, all those types of things, but not for funnels. And it can be a real pain, especially if you've got a funnel and you want to one or two versions of it so that you can track links from ads and links from not ads, or from Instagram and Facebook and ads, or something where you can really kind of see what's coming in source-wise and where your traffic is coming from. Having more than one funnel for that is awesome because you can just, see what source is giving you the biggest bang for your buck. But there's no duplicate button, and so it's super frustrating having to rebuild all of your funnels. But there is a way to do it way better than just rebuilding all of your funnel. And so that's what I'm talking about today. Now, you probably know this, but in the funnel space, under marketing, it's where all your funnel business is. There's a second space. And if you go into websites and then website pages or landing pages, you go to your page area, and that's where you see the funnels page. It's like website pages, landing pages, funnel pages. And that funnel pages is like a second place where all of your funnel stuff is. And the pages are organized in little folders so that each funnel has a folder. You click on it and all the stuff, all of the pages of that funnel pops in. And you can edit them from there, just in an isolated page editor view, not the funnel view, but just a page editor view. And you can go and edit the details and view analytics for that page, just like any other page. And there is a duplicate button in that. And so if you go to those pages and you, the dots, click duplicate, it duplicates that specific page as a landing page. And that can be useful because what you can do is you can go into your funnel, you can find all of your stuff, all your pages, duplicate them all. They end up as landing pages. Then you go back into marketing and funnels, and then you do a new funnel, and then choose an empty one that doesn't have as anything in it, or as little as possible. And then when you click add a page, like in that center strip of the funnel business where like all of the things kind of show up, and you hover in the right spot and it says add a page, and then it'll give you a box that says new landing page or existing landing page. Choose existing, and then you can choose the one you duplicated. And then your page is there. And so you can go back into a new funnel and pretty easily add all of the same landing pages. So they're all there and your pages are there. Now, obviously that's not every aspect of your funnel, because you've got email sequences, you've got forms, you've got tags, you've got checkout pages, maybe. And so you are going to have to go through and adjust those, because your duplicated funnel is going to do you no good at monitoring different traffic sources if you're using the same tags and the same forms and the same, all that same stuff. And so it cuts a lot of work out, though, knowing that you can do that. And so again, you go into the pages area, you find your funnel pages, you duplicate the funnel pages, it turns them into landing pages. You start a new funnel, and then you add the existing pages from your landing pages instead of starting new pages within the funnel. Saves you a lot of work. You don't have to redesign those pages nearly as much. And then you just go in and tweak a few things, making sure that it recognizes that this is different, forms and tags and all that stuff. And there you go. That is the best way to duplicate a funnel in Kajabi.